Trees are beautiful. To make landscape painting, I can't imagine without greenery. There are thousands of tone and texture involved in the characteristic of different trees. Couple of them we are going to explore here in this video tutorial. Hi, welcome to Art and Soul. This episode is on how to color trees.
Okay, now I will demonstrate the rendering of these two trees, and one is from near and other one is from distance. So as I will do, you will also get to see how I am going to render with these two approaches, right?
I am using sap green, burnt sienna and yellow to start with the leaves, but very less saturated. It is very important that you should dilute the color rather using it thick and heavy. And as the demand of the painting, I am adding some red with the leaves to make it dynamic. For watercolor rendering, always start with lighter tone. I have another tutorial on how to do better watercolor. You can check that. The link is in the description box as well as on the top right corner. After finishing this one, I will demonstrate the next tree, so don't miss anything. Lots of tips are there to do better coloring. As you can see here in this tree, we cannot see the top and the trunk is more prominent with its texture and everything. Even we can see the specific characteristic of the leaves. So while coloring, you need to keep all this data in your mind and you need to be careful with your applications. Following the direction of the light, I have to put the tone. Now as you can see here on my right hand side, the light is coming. So that is why majorly the dark will be on the left side. If this is helpful, hit the like button and consider subscribing. Each subscription will give great inspiration for next video. Thank you for all your support. Okay, now back to painting. This tree is in distance and we can able to see the entire tree now. But there is hardly any detail characteristic is visible. Only while rendering you need to capture the light to dark tonal variations. Basically the bottom part of the leaves will be darker and there will be hardly any detail with the leaves and everything. Only zonally you need to divide dark and light. Now few tips. You may have few variant of green in your watercolor set, but for natural greenery you need to use sap green to make it realistic. My second tip is don't apply raw green. Add either yellow or burnt sienna for lighter green and blue to make it darker. Third tip, there are lots of green reflected from the leaves on the trunk of the tree. So you should add green and blue with the color of your tree trunk.